Okay, 1 and 2, true and true. 3, you have the chart, the information, level of significance 0.05. Which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing this research question?
I said A.
The question is, do men's voting preferences differ significantly from women's voting preferences? So I would say A also. Okay. What is the equation for computing the degrees of freedom? It is C.
Agree.
2 minus 3. 1 minus 2. Negative 1. It's 5 negative 1. Or times. Hang on. I've got to multiply. 1 times 2 equals 2. Genius. So number 5 is 2.
3 and 4, right? There's only 3 rows.
There's 2 rows and 3 columns. So it's 2 minus 1 times 3 minus 1, which is 1 times 2. That's where I got 2.
I agree.
Could agree. Alright, and then are the requirements for conducting an x-squared test for independence met by this data set? Let's review. Requirements. You must use simple random sampling to obtain a sample from a single population. Number 2. Each expected count must be greater than or equal to 5. Meaning 5. So we got the random sample. But
how do we know what the expected count is?
That's what I'm looking for real quick. The requirement for this test is the sample size is sufficiently large. Another requirement is that no cells have expected count. Where is that? At the bottom left of the Excel sheet, we check that 0 cells have expected counts less than 5. Where the freak is that? Oh, expected count.
I thought the expected count was 5.
So wait, the number has to be greater than 5?
Yeah, I think so. Because it said the requirements for the test is that it's sufficiently large, and that. Wait, hold on.
Well, none of the, when I did it on SPSS, all the expected counts are way above 5.
This one says we must check that 0 cells have expected counts less than 5.
The minimum expected count is 34.93.
Okay, it just talks about if you run the test, it gives you if it actually has anything less than expected, or if any of the expecteds are less than 5.
All mine are above 5.
Mommy.
Did you already run that chi-square test on it?
Yeah, I already did it.
Okay. Except I don't have my SPSS pulled up, and I want to fry my computer today. What does it give you as far as expected count? Is it 0 cells?
Well, One of them's 270, another one's 60, the other's 270. I don't know. They're all above 5. The lowest one is 40.
What? You should only have, like, if you go to, where is it? Section. This is a long section. It's in the third section. If you scroll down, it gives you SPSS instructions for getting the for actually running the chi-square test.
Right.
And it gives you all the information, you got like the Pearson's chi-square likelihood ratio and the valid cases. We would normally pay attention to the top line, top row, but right below it, it says A, like 0 cells have expected count less than 5.
I don't know. This is what my thing was showing for expected counts, but this is the cross tabs. I don't know if that's what you're talking about.
I can't really see any of that. Did you plug in all like the...
Yeah, because here's all the data thing for it. And then I don't know, I just did what he says, go descriptive, hit cross tabs, and then this showed up.
Did you weight the cases first?
Yeah, I did actually. It should be right here. Or showed I did. I'll redo it. So transform, no, data. Stop doing that. Okay. Weight cases, variable 3, which is the data. Hit OK. Then it said weigh by variable 3. That's it, right? Nothing else happens right there. And then that's when I go to analyze descriptive. Come on, cross tabs. Variable 1 and 2, or did I need to do 1 and 3?
Okay, give me 1 second. I'll pull this up. The book. So move location or whatever your row variable is into the box labeled rows. Does it have any of that on there?
Is that female or is that their government choice?
That's going to be motivation. That's going to be the gender.
Okay, so rows is gender.
Yep. And then
Got that.
motivation, because the motivation was the reason or the choice. So the actual political party should go in the column variable.
Okay, we're good there.
Then click on statistics.
Do I need to do the variable 3 in anything, like the numbers?
It doesn't say so.
Then hit chi-square.
Yep. Chi-square, click on continue.
Continue. Then go.
You want to check the box labeled display cluster bar charts.
I find it real quick. So wait, for count. Wait, where's that at?
The one I just said?
Yeah.
I believe in the bottom left corner.
Oh, freak, that's where it was. I thought it was up in the cells and I put like counts, observed and expected. Are we not supposed to highlight expected?